Hi, this is Amit Bahel. थिएटर में मेरी पहल स्कूल के दिन था. I remember I was in the sixth standard. We were doing this English operetta musical. It was called The Sandman. It was about the Sandman and his bag of dust. And I was one of the kids who was, supposed to be affected by the Sandman. And everything was in rhyme. And our music teacher and a drama teacher both started scouting for actors from different classes to actually become part of the play. And I was lucky to be selected, but lucky I was. But the nervousness as to why I have been selected, will I be able to be performing on stage? What is the stage actually? I had seen a lot of plays by college students because my mother was a professor. So I was always intrigued as to how these people learn their lines, how do they come on their marks, and then they look at each other and talk to each other. I never thought that I'll also be put into the same position, and I was just wondering that should I go through the same process that these kids must have gone, but they are big kids. Anyway, because in school, the rehearsals we have about 3.5 months of rehearsals, but the annual day in Jamnabai Nursery was something wherein the parents from every section used to come and watch it. It was a 4 day long thing, and even parents of secondary kids and pre-primary kids would come and watch primary kids also. So which means that we were subjected to a big audience. So that process of first fumbling, getting embarrassed, getting scolded, coming back home, crying in front of your mother, and but at the end of the day, I said, I want to be on stage. I want to be on stage. And then the moment we got into that loud makeup with lipstick and with rouge and then with our wonderful costumes, and then going to Bhaidas Auditorium, which is such a great auditorium in Mumbai for grand rehearsals and technical rehearsals. And the moment the lights would come on, the moment the makeup would be put, the moment I'd get into costume, I would feel that I am not Amit the child. I am Amit the character. So it was really fascinating. I was still wondering what I want to do because somebody said that ye karo zindagi mein ye karo. But this fascination of the stage, that euphoria, that rush of adrenaline which I experienced in that first play was incredible. Did one more play in the 7th standard, 8th standard. But what changed for me was doing a full-fledged Hindi play which was written by the late Kader Khan, Badi Der Kar Di Mehrban Aate Aate, a political satire, जो हिंदी में था. Rehearsing with Hindi lines, no music, just rehearsing, trying to learn the lines. And it required me to be lying down because the character that I was doing was supposed to be, I had fallen under a tree. And it was a political satire. In Sachivalaya ke grounds mein, the tree has fallen on him, and how the bureaucracy does a lot of things. In the end, the man dies. So that's why it was called Badi Der Kar Di Mehrban Aate Aate. And in fact, I can never forget the first line when my co-actor comes and says ke सामने सचिवालय खड़ा हुआ, आदमी औंधे मुंह पेड़ के नीचे पड़ा हुआ, and he asked me, "Hey mister, तुम्हें क्या हुआ?" I think this was the year 1983. 1983 to 2020. Countless performances after that in Hindi, English, Marathi, Gujarati, Urdu. Traveled the world, but that pehel of that first operetta and Badi Der Kar Di Mehrban Aate Aate cemented this in my mind that this is what I want to do all my life. This is a magic that I can want to experience all the time in my life. तो ये थी मेरी पहल.